In this video, we're going to have a look at the Action Center and notifications. To get to the Action Center, if you click on the notification icon at the end of your taskbar, the Action Center will pop up. At the top, you'll see one mine has come up, Focus Assist. I'm going to turn that off for now, and I will explain to you what it is. If I turn off the Focus Assist, my notifications will be displayed. You can see at the moment I only have one, and it shows me that it's from Outlook. So your notifications will be grouped per application, and you can see what the notifications are that have been sent through. So in this case, I have received an Outlook message from Clicks telling me something about the coronavirus. I can look at this notification. I can decide I no longer want notifications from Outlook. I can right click and I can turn off notifications, or I can go to the notification setting. Alternatively, I can also click on this notification and it will take me into Outlook to read the actual message. Once I have looked at the notification, there you go. Can you see another? This one is from WhatsApp. So I have a new notification from WhatsApp. And if you have a look here, there's my Outlook one. Let's put the recent one at the top, and it's told me it is from WhatsApp. If you have read the notification or you've seen the notification and you no longer want it, you can close it by clicking on the cross at the top of the notifications box. You can collapse the message, or you can expand the message, or you can go into settings, which will then allow you to state whether you want to receive this notification or not. In my case, I'm going to close it because I don't want to see the message. I've actioned it and I'm quite happy. You can see at the bottom of the notifications area, there's something called Clear All Notifications. Once you've gone through notifications, if you haven't handled them one by one as you've gone through them, you can simply click on Clear All Notifications and the notifications will appear, and you've got a nice clean board for when the next one comes in. Underneath the notification section, you get what we call the Quick Action Center. The Quick Action Center gives you icons to functions that you might need that you don't necessarily want to have to go look for. Things like turning into a mobile hotspot, or going into airplane mode, or checking your network, or checking your Wi-Fi, or maybe it's even just putting up the light on your PC or dimming it, or going into all settings. So this gives you quick access to tools that you might need during the day. You can also collapse the group so that you see more of your notification area, or you can expand your group. If you want to add or to your Quick Action Center, or you want to fix your notifications or specify which apps send you notifications, because sometimes we subscribe to things and we say yes, not knowing that we're going to get all these notifications beeping, beeping, beeping on our machine, and we're trying to work and all we're getting is these notifications popping up. You can go to your settings, and in settings you can go to system, and you'll see there's two things here that we can look at. The first one being notification and actions. And if you go into notifications and actions, the very first section says to you, what quick actions do you want? Edit your quick actions. And here you can decide whether you want to pin something on. Let's say if I want to take my tablet mode off, you can see it has now disappeared. If I want to put it back on again, I can click on add. I can say tablet mode, and it will put tablet mode back on for me again. So I can decide which ones I want on and which ones I want off by going into this section here. If you have a look down underneath the Quick Action Center, is our notifications. Get notifications from apps and other senders. Mine is switched on. If you switch that off, you won't get notifications. If you scroll down, it gives you the section to get notifications from these senders, and it tells you what apps you have installed that would send you notifications. So from here, you can say, I don't want WhatsApp to notify me of a message, and I can switch that off, or I can have it on. So you can manage your notifications from this area here. You can see I've got quite a few applications on, and I'm sure you would have too, and you can decide which ones you want. So if there's those annoying ones coming through and you don't want them, go into settings, notifications and actions, and switch them off. Or alternatively, when the notification comes in, sadly I've now closed mine, if I right click on it, it will actually give me the option to turn it off as well. If you go into your Focus Assist, Focus Assist allows you to set times or rules as to when the notification should appear. So you might not have a very busy day on the day and you don't mind notifications coming through, but then you're sitting and you're concentrating on a particular task and the notifications can get very irritating. So what you can do is you can go into your Focus Assist and you can set rules as to what time you want the notifications come through. When you're using full screen, if you maybe played a game, wishful thinking. If you also switch it off at certain times and you want to go see if you missed anything, you can get a summary of what you missed on your notifications. You can also say, please, I don't want notifications. I can switch it off or I can switch it on. I can set my priority. I can customize my priority list of what notifications I want to see. The rest will just go straight to the Action Center and won't actually pop up on the screen. Okay, or whether you want alarms only, hide all notifications except for alarms. So you can go and you can set Focus Assist up as you want your notifications to appear in your system settings. If I come out of there, two ways to turn Focus Assist on. If you look at my Quick Action Center, I actually have a Focus Assist button. If I click it once, it will go on, priority only, alarms only, or I can switch it off, or by right-clicking on the icon, I can switch my Focus Assist on as well. I can switch it to off, priority only, or alarms only. So you can set the time as to when your notifications appear. Customize your notifications. We all want our notifications to come through. We want to know what's been sent us in Outlook. We want to know if there's a WhatsApp message. But if you manage it carefully and you manage it wisely and you set it up the way you want it to be, it won't become a hindrance. It will be more of a help. Hope that helps. Have a good day.